Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 18 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 693, binary number with alternating bits. So in this problem, you are given a positive integer. We have to check whether it has alternating bits, namely if two adjacent bits will always have different values, and these are the constant size. So very easy problem. I will show you two approaches to solve this problem. So here if you see n is equal to 5, so how you write this 5 in binary form? So you write it like this 1 0 1. So this bit value is 1, this bit value is 2, this bit value is 4. So this is nothing but 5 in binary form. Now here if you see, we have 1, then we have 0, alternating are not same, then we have 0 and 1, so these two alternating are not same. So if two adjacent bits will always have different values, then we have to return true. So here we are returning true. So here if you see 7, so 7 we write it like this 1 1 1. So in this case if you see these alternating ones, they are same, so we have to return false. Here if you see this 11, so 11 we write it like this. Here if you see these two alternate are same, so we have to return false. So approach 1 is very simple. Just create one string s like this, and then check this, and then check this. Check this. If both are same, return false. Here check this, not same, then move further, not same, then move here. So here both are same, just return false. That's it. This is your approach 1. So here let's write the code for approach 1. It is going to be very simple. So string s is equal to, you can say, we have given one integer, right? So integer, just change it to binary string. So here I'm just going to say to binary string, and here in this I'm just going to pass the value of n. Done. And then after that, just calculate the length of this string s. So here you have to just write it like this, and after that you can run one loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than, here length minus 1, and here I plus plus, and here just check if s dot char at index I. So if this is equal to s dot char at index I plus 1, in that case simply you have to return false if both are same. And if we don't execute false anywhere in this loop, so here you have to return true. That's it. So this is your approach 1. So now let's run it. So see, all the test cases has been passed. Now let's submit it, this approach 1. So see, our solution is accepted, right? In approach 2, what you are going to do, let's say your n value is equal to 5. So how you write this 5 in binary form? So you write it like this in binary form. So now here, this is your number, right? So let's say a new number x, and in x what I do, I take this number 101 and I do the right shift by 1. So if I do the right shift of this by 1, so this 1 comes here, this 0 comes here, and here we have 0. So now if I do the XOR operation, so I will get 111. Clear? So here in XOR table, if two values are same, we are always going to get 0. But if any one value is different, we get 1 as the output. So this is nothing but your XOR table. Clear? And if we have all the bits adjacent to each other are different, so if I do the right shift of n by 1 and I do the XOR of this with n value, so in that case I will always get something like this, where all the bits are set 1 1 1. So this will happen only in case when all the bits adjacent to each other are different. So we will always get 1 1 1. Clear this part? Now in this is my x, let's say 1 1 1. So now here you already know one thing, that how you write 1 in binary form, like this. How you write 2 in binary form, you write it like this. Okay, but here I am actually talking about this where all the bits are set. So let's say 1 1. So here this is nothing but 3 1, and this bit value is 2, so this is nothing but 3. And here 1 1 1, so this is nothing but 1 2 4, this is nothing but 7. And here let's say 1 1 1, so 1 2 4 8 8 4 12, uh 13 14 15, this is nothing but 15. So here this one in binary form to decimal form I'm converting na. So binary form to decimal form, binary form to decimal form, binary form to decimal form. Clear this part? So here in this case, if you always take the next number, like here 2, now this is nothing but 3, so how you write 4? So 4 you write like this na. All right, and here 7, and in after 7 8 comes, so 8 is going to come like this only. And here 16, so 16 is nothing but 1 1 2 3 4, so this is nothing but 16. Clear? Now here you are getting some value of x, and then what is x plus 1? That simply means these next values. So all these next values, if you see for 1 1 1, so next value is 8, so 8 is going to be like this 1 0 0 0. Clear this part? So for 3 we have 1 1, so next value is 1 0 0. For 1 this is, and next value is 2, so 2 we write it like this 1 0. So here now if you see in all these cases, when you do the AND operation among x and x plus 1 after that, so you will always get your result as 0. Clear this part? So in AND operation, if both the values are 1, then only we are going to get 1. If any value is 0, so then always your result is going to be 0 only. This is your AND table, this is your XOR table. So here in the end, I just need to check if the overall value is equal to 0, then I will always return true. That's it. So x value you have to take like this n, and just do the XOR of this with n and right shift by 1. That's it. So this is your x value. Once you get x value, then you have to return the true if x and x plus 1 when you do. So overall value of this one, if it is equal to 0, in that case you have to return true. That's it. This is your code. Now let's run it first. So see, all the test cases has been passed. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is empty, right? And in this case, the time complexity is going to be of 1. That's it. So I hope that you guys are able to understand both the approaches. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys next video. Thank you. Bye bye.